Nagosemerera kwane buno mwanchumuliye kwabere kugutwara obulirio bya imigeta seniki ya Ndizi TV nebiro bindene nditokumera na ase emesa ya mangana maya linde ngomanye nare yabereka gukolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chinsi chinga kitoroche omwana sagini agendete gutangwa ase nsemeri ya Jogo Children's Home asa matuko abere kagweta asataranyara kwa bakago ikiwe kaunti ya Nairobi linda chikonyara kwa bagako egwa obogwe na igori tkolia rero ni waziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogumbaki abagakorera bene amachibu ya matemo ye kirasi ya 5 na 3 asane kibuna ni gobokorera bwabeire obuya kokolengana ni miaka eyo ya maiga na muraibense Dr. William Ruto bakubata no waziri w'obulendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki nigaberega kwene kibuna mbachikobeka emerobele ya bene asokoneki obokoleri obuya asensemo y'abanyanyimbo na igori tkolia rero ime county ya Kisii na county ya Nyamira nigo baba gucengera bene amachibu ya matemu ayo bakakorariwa bene litkolia rero asebayenekiri obokoleri obuya ase aborokiwa mwanji muri nyara sinsemo chiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke iritare kiruko na sensemo chibya kada tukubatenere Joshua Auta. Ya toko ya chaka Amayia yebire bigani ngo kumanyibuna namatuko abere aitire magigayo mwana sagini kobatwa kurase enyegitari ya Kisii nigo irwa goika ensemeri ya Nairobi asingencho yo kwenyorera obogwenya kolende omwana yo ni gatangire asensemo ya Jogo Children's Home ase abantu ababere bagwesokya gati yabo esna sinyaramba kurwa ase kyombekeri kya Young Democrats ase okumugerera omwana yo kwenyorera obogwenya muri kito Vincent Onyancha na mange
litukolia rero lyalengeri litukolia mogoko kono bwagakiete nalenga yango mwana ngosoka ari kwenya gitari twagenda twa prepare omwana osoka
okungusana nani gokogendreta so mwana sagini oyorusi wa maiso asinchire chobo tutukano aseri tukolia kaberero nigo okoiro kwa yasenya getari ya maisa Nairobi wate na maega yogotene nigwa abwigoro ye maega yogwanchiro kurusi wa nyagetari asokanya tangire asokonyoro obogwenya
akarabu kwanga mwana tawende kwa gusongo omwana ngabwenda kwa there's a lot of orphanages children so much better off than Jogo umontarata kanga bono nta to take care of the kid adopt umwana arabono kimogo chikokoro umwana una barenge koirwa ordinary isane kenga yaya a second opinion yatebere kende ngikera korwe abekiru nonye cosmetic eyes umwana uri kako chokora iga orare ntobe iri kako kuna maisa yugwe ntoba ya noer nonye kindo moko nimbwate liso. It is something to just kube kororo psychologically umwana uri isane kenga ndongera age korukwe liso kerororo na getakora
maega y'umwana sagini wanchirwa gosoko kuronya getari na koirwa Jogo Children's Home nigo mwegeri bwene homanya bantu kurwa sekyombe kya Young Women Democrats eznas nyaramba aichaniro gotangwa ku mwana yo ime ya Jogo Children's Home.
I'm so shocked with what is going on in Kisii na ndenta itekorwa warning next time if something like this happen abantu bali barenderela front offices Madam Beatrice iganero tenendete office y'abana ekero mwana agosairwe enere timu entanga ntobwenda korro ground etimu ya kaberne ya county then korworo tumna konyara abantu bakurunga human rights ne activists tonyara abantu ba media tonyara abantu bakuruka banyagitari dara basigari bako tokonye gasi yonsi tokore gasi asobwamo totige konya kominyokani nebitina bitabwanira tinga bifrani is taking credit
yema gayo kabiro mo governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo oteyabuna bwerure elio komoiro mwana sagini go ikasense ya China asenya getari ya maiso kolende ayo kolekana wikachinya getari ibere kurwa iga asense ya Kenya chirikire huko buna omwana sagini na wane togosko go chasekerango kende asokoligia obobwenia
elitukolitanga lia fail tigoro lero lia fail we hope nga as tuakwande na the relevant offices ba organize at least if possible because umwana konyorobe booked umwana age atiru na robi before Christmas so immediately ngonyo gakororu either mambi maragoba gose mambi ende. So the best way no gotira nere mambi onyorto bagukora what they are doing njetinda tuza gutwara bitina na muntu cause jogo children so mtabugati capacity yoko twara umwana umuko because mbabwati braille sororo mwali mutayo braille gusomya umwana ororo. So we need this kid in a special school ya bana bari blind achikokonya kakororo. So I just want to tell the office that release the kid for a better medical examination. Release the kid. A second opinion is not a crime. So second opinion tigaita beruwa umwana oliaga ndaligereriwe na ande release omwana tafadhali release omwana. And I just want to say this.
Ekyo gatikarate bono no kumanya goseri tukoryankyo omwana sagine na nchiro korwa ase ensemeli ya Jogo Children's Home elia kiwime ya county ya Nairobi ase Mike Songo araimoke gatambokero na kwene kyo mwana yoikire ase nsemo ya China eliko nyara koligia obobwenia. Reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirane nchenkuro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mbiamano sana omurikeito Vincent Onyanja asogotwaliganiria orobotero konde no gosemero goito na omwana Junior Sagini na chikobatukwa nabo goika ase enyagitari imeyomochi o Nairobi konde togotigana nayo mwanchu mulire litukolierero mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machugumbaki nabagakorale bene amachibu ya matemo y'ikirasi kya 5 na 3 ase omwana omutangani imensitu ya Kenya abwate amagisi chiminye 30 ukwana omuwaziri Machogu nigo aine kibuna nigo obokoleri bwabere obuya asense mu yechisemi anene mono ekero kolengani ase emyaka yende kolende niga aine kibuna nigo litukolierero amonchurelia aine kigwa asengencho bune emyaka ya maiga nigo okoraligo kwale kworokigwa kochaka ase omwana mutangani hoika bali abatangani 10 konde litukolierero niga amonchurelia aine kigwa.
The mark of the highest candidate rose 4 points from 428 in 2021 to 431 in 2022. Another positive indicator of better performance by the candidates was in the mean average performance. The data analysis showed that more than half of all the candidates who sat the examination, that is 619,583 or 50.22% scored between 200 and 299 marks as compared with 578,106 or 47.17% who scored between the same marks in 2021. We are therefore very impressed with the KCPE examination class of 2022 for performing very well and raising the standards of the main performance. Additionally, whereas 1,170 candidates scored between 1 and 99 marks in the 2021 KCPE examination, that number has gone down to only 724 in the year 2022 examination, despite the rise in overall candidature in the 2 years.
Tinga kecho boigo nigo muwaziri Machogu airanilimbia mono gochia ase abaiboli sengencho yokubwaterana nabo rokigwa elikwaneki obokoleri obuya aboigo ase ensemo ya borokigwa nigo airanilimbia mono asengencho yogwetoma naboigo kwaneki amachibu amaya no nyamagigano ye kalenda yechisemi gochenjia.
The organization of school term dates has come at a heavy cost to parents in terms of pressure to clear school fees within short intervals, teachers having heavy workloads, while runners have had to cover more content within extremely short time. I wish to particularly single out the 2022 KCPE cohort, whose examination results we are releasing today. When COVID-19 hit our country in March 2020, the cohort was in Standard 6 and only resumed their classes upon the full reopening of schools in January 2021. Between January 2021 and November 2022, just 23 months, this cohort has managed to cover 3 school calendar years. This is astonishingly incredible. In fact, the cohort covered their grade 8 school calendar in just 6 months, having joined in June 2022. In between, the country went into a general election that also occasioned an unnecessarily long half-term break, besides the confusion and anxiety associated with such a national exercise. Please join me in celebrating our 2022 cohort of KCB.
Boigo asensemo ya machibu ya matemwa akepsea ni warachikobekwa ase omutanda onek chitariki 15 nemo omwaka ogocha kolende nigo oroboti orurwa ene kigobuna nigo obokoleri borachikobekwa bonsi asingencho yoko ene kibuna aborki obanyere kwa bakwenyorera amachibu abo nabego kweneki obokoleri obuya amatuko abosio kolende ababwatani bechisemi nigo bagani gwakurwa ebirengerere byabo nabego gochia ase serikali anene mono asoko ene kibna sector yisemingo kinere naboigo alibaganitie achigwonchoreligwa anyare ko bakagwonchoreligwa.
But following the recommendation of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms and the directive by His Excellency the President on domiciling of junior secondary school, and the fact that KIPSEA will not be used for placement of learners but for monitoring learner progress, NEC will report on KIPSEA at 3 levels as follows. There will be a report on individual learners for the summative assessment. There will be a school-specific report, and there will be a national report on school-based and summative assessments. The national report will provide feedback to education stakeholders on areas that require intervention. The report will indicate the proportion of learners at each of the performance levels per subject, where perhaps we need to do some interventions. The report will be very useful to the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, the Teacher Service Commission, and the Ministry of Education as we continue with the rollout of CBC. There will be a school-specific report whose scope will be limited to the individual schools. So each school will receive a specific report that delineates the areas that learners perhaps are having challenges so that they can continue in the journey of improvement. The learners will get individual learner reports, and all these are going to be uploaded on the school portals by 16th of January 2020.
Emeremo yege Swahili na boigo yege songo nigo yarokana gokoria buya kulingana machibu abaga kubwatu kwali tukolerero no muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogombaki kolende ase omulimo bw'esabu science na boigo social studies nigo orokana gokoria bo begwetania emyaka eyo ya maiga kolende nonya nabo nigo chiskuru Amayia county ya Kisii cyaba kigo chengera amachibu amaya na boigo kogokera obokoriri bwabo anene mono ase omwako yiga murikito Hamisi Josephat Natalia Chinsa na gutwariganiria oroboti irokubwatia
chingaki amachibu ya matemu yekerasi ya gatano gatatanyara kobaga kubwatu kwa bene litukolia lero nero muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu bono nigo yarekanire buna emeremo yege Swahili nabo yege songo yanyato kobaga gukora buya ase amachibu ayo ase boigo omulemo science nabo yego social studies bono amachibu ayo nyalete kobaga kuwa kolengana no mwaka uli nyalete kobaga gweta.
Overall, we have been impressed that 4 papers recorded an improvement in performance in the year 2022 when compared to 2021. These are English language, Kiswahili Lugha, Kiswahili Insa, and the Kenyan Sign Language. However, 6 papers, English composition, Kenya Sign Language composition, mathematics, science, social studies, and religious education recorded a drop in performance in 2022 compared with 2021.
Ime county ya Kisii amachibu ayiniganyara ko bago chengorere chiskuru gati yabo eskuru ya Matube Education Learning Center yere ime wodi yabo baracho aso mwalimu monene anyara ko bagago teba inga amachibu ayo niganyara ko bagago cha senchirengia asebo igabana bange banyara to bakonyora amagisi are amayamono
mwana mutangane wa 308 walenge babiri alafu 300 and above sawa na 18 16 babate 300 and above. Babiri na bari nge below 300. Babate 250 and above. Yo as a result ye nigere mbiyere kubo ya last year.
Omo director we skuru ejoboigo Samuel Makori nigatebire amachibwa yo niganyarete ko bagakoretwa anene kubwaterana okuya gati abarimu abaibori amona abana be skuru yo.
Matokeo mwaka uyo we are impressed with the school as a performance yengia as engenjo ya teamwork abarimu bagwaterana na abaibori amona abana tukamanya kanyora matokeo aya uno mwede teacher gotebiri na gotu agwaterana mwaka uria our result yarengengia but this year it has improved greatly.
Boigo abaibori mbabwate engwana heye
inde no mogoko manene kera abana baitire baito banka abaibori bakuru ofisi yabo bana baito abantu bakorire gasi wono togogete bagende guchimutu basome angi bagotonyora batugurire soda
twatemete anene mono kuri time shamara ko bakubwaterana abana baiga so that toka create time mo ofisi ya territory baisi na address tominyoke syllabus.
Thomas Oyore omo director Kyogoro Junior Academy nigagokeire amachibwa yenyara ko bagakubwatikwa ne wizara yechisemi aseboigo ikiregata seni geto kenyara ko begotarire skuru eyo kenyara ko bagekonyora network nigo yarenge ko bagegochanda asegoikera abana bane boka konyora banyarire ko bakonyora amachibwa abo
Ana to bate 14 boka lakini matokeo mdoranya ronse kwenyorera bananye bane boka abwa so mutangani abwate 356 so yo twanye wanje 324 na 302 moyo ndena ro bwate 282 actually no boka twanyorire we are still waiting for some results to atumire tubanye lakini online mbara to update our results so today we are going to get the full list tole ngana.
Ripoti regata seni Ndizi TV kurwe kaunti ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiamano sana omuriketo Hamisi Josephat asoroboti oroikirano kwenda togotiana nayo na gusikamutu asoroboti ronde nigongo kumanyibuna eskuru ya Benjenga preparatory yogotoka sense moya Nyamataro imi kaunti ya Kisii nigolitukolia rero bachengera obokoleri obuya bwo mwako yiga okwana nigo bairira buna nigo aborokigwa emerongo ene na batano na babere baba gukora amatemwa a KCP ase aborokigwa emerongo ene na babere baba konyora amagisi 300 gochigoro korende nigo bairira buna nigo omwako go chabero berete bene asoko ene kinaboigo kwarigania junior secondary school muriketo Vincent Onyancha na mange
nase skuru ya Benjenga preparatory ime ye county ya Kisii nigo muchengo bwatanse maiga yogosoka kwa matemwa KCP maiga ya baibuli aborokigwa amana bana kubwatrana sobwamo asogo chengera matemu aseri tukolia lero.
I scored 402 marks. I would like to be an artist when I grow up. I got 376. I am very happy and I thank my teachers. I managed to score 383 marks. I take this opportunity to thank my teachers.
I managed to score 378. I thank my teachers for cooperating and my fellow pupils.
Chinga kichio abarimu batigarete maiga aso mwarimu mone bweskuru yatabuna nigo abarimu babwatrana sobwamo anobotene bweskuru kwane kibuna amatemwa yakrwa KCP ngonyara bari goikirania endoto yabo.
The school has posted an improvement compared to last year when we had a mean of 322. This year we have gone up to 351.4, which is a great improvement. And also we have been able to produce 3 candidates with 400 marks and above.
Nigo chinga kichio omumanager bweskuru atabuna egangene yeskuru no konyara kone kibuna kubwatana bale amone kenyoro aso konyara goeti abana bali batali kwenyara.
Asamarieta nigo nkuru ku Bernard Moseti monyenye ninchende manager se skuru ya Benjenga na ande gonde no mogoko monene sana onye ndi nama itoko bugyo murulie nari ko bugyo mutari ko mbugi sigaki anene tigangire ribageri bene kwiranira Nyasaye ng'ambu ya mono okiarekere gente kiye gocha gwetera magoka Nyasaye korwa ase twachagete gochaka skuru 2014 ase rental houses mpaka tuanyare go establish its own land skuru anyare kabage gwetenera no boremo bwaye bono anene buna bone serikali njato ete nande njato ete the junior secondary school abana twakoreti barenga abana 47 asa abana aba 47 na bokoranga abana 42 igo babwata above 300 marks. Out of these 47 na bokora abana 28 babwata above 350 marks and above.
Chinga kichioni gaba iboli bago batatigara maiga abase bate abuna higanga yabone kone kibuna nkosira barabarimu anene abana ase skuru yega ya Ben's Preparatory School bunenchire mo yokunyara gukinia chisemi asorgongo rwa Gusii.
My son scored 399 marks. I'm very happy. Ndingwira ne Nyasaye mpiamuno asubwaro batoretire. Nyasaye itono muya abana baito banyare ko bagwita mpiamuno. Skuru ya tokwanyire sana no mwalimu itoro mu yagu to understand buna Bible.
Okay, asamaria tangoro kujani bonariri. Mama ke Laurin Nyawate who managed to score 402 marks. Nago kiremono okay, tina expected you mano inaikia marks yayu but reni Nyasaye omokonyire. I thank God for that. Na nashukuru walimu wote shule mzima.
Shukuru sana kwa hii shule ya Ben. Walimu wanafanya kazi. Hao walimu wako hapa wanafanya kazi kama wanaume. Ningependa kama MC yetu anaamka ama MP amke asaidie shule.
Ekyo getigarete bono na baibuli aborokiwa ama na bana gochamo elikone kibuna chisemi nkonyara kire gusirwa ase county ya Kisii. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurose skuru ya Ben's Gender Preparatory imeje county ya Kisii ritirane nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mbiamano sana omurikeito Vincent Onyancha ase oroboti rukwende togoska mutwa soroboti ronde nigo obutukibwaro kiribuna nigo chiskuru chia banyene chigo kolibuya gwetania chiskuru che serikali kulendeli tukolerero ase ebunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii nigo eskuru ya serikali ya Kyong'ongi yabage korokia obokoleri obuya naboigo gochengera amatemwa seritko tangani go sase ntunde tangani ase omwana mutangani atwara amaxi chiminye na 14 ase oibo moelio atwara amaxi chimibere na 55 na limo naboigo eminsko yaboni go yarenge amaxi chimisato na 25 kolinde nigo molikeito Mildred Momanyi atalira chiskuru ekyo na gutwaliganiria oroboti rokobwatia.
Amatemwa amanene yekirasi kia 5 na 3 nigo araligwa bene no mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu ase gwetania aborokigwa emilioni yemo nugutaibere baisaransete amatemwa yo imeye county ya Kisii nigo aborokigwa bachengera amachibwabo ase skuru ya Sunlight Academy yegotoka imeyanya macheta tigomagega ase oyotangaine abwata magisi chimyenye na 12
ono mutangani we skuru ya Sunlight iganyora magisi 412 chiminye na 12 alafu mwana bwo mwelio nindoro yo monyo densi ya amagisi 350 no yo mubwate 347 kati skuru chia banyene chia kolire buya Sunlight na yamo yabo ya kolire buya aso mwakoyo igonta tekwiranira Bible ya mono abana bali bakorete buya singe ko twamatoke aya buya mono abalimu buya mono
kati abali abaeta korwa eskuru eyo nigo bakambya gochase oboteneri we skuru eyo.
I'm the top pupil with 412 marks. I feel so happy for scoring those marks. I thank my God for bringing me this far. Namshukuru mwalimu wangu mkuu kwa kuwa nasi, amekuwa akituchunga, akituongelesha na kutupa mawaidha mbalimbali. Walimu na wazazi wote na washukuru pia kwa kuwa wameweza kuwa pamoja nasi.
Ase chinga kecho nigo eskuru yoboroso ya serikali ya Kyong'ongi yabaire kegweta egento kyaba ekegeni ase skuru eyo ase omwana mutangani anyora magisi chimenye na 10 ase bachengeire amachibwabo
gotora na abalimu bane na Bible na wanafunzi washerekea amatokeo maya sana skuru yani odere itana konyole myake menge to break the record ikiagara gesagesa max twanyora lero tana korerekana omwana tubwata max 411 na inde bono abana bakoreta matemu bali 104 oja okora iga bana ya korega igo ya korere buya asengencho abali mbane bale marongebere bono na butwale kubwatrana babucha mambia mugaso maragoba chi weekend
aborokigwa abo basasokera amachiba yo nigo babwata ya iga.
Ningependa kuwashukuru walimu wetu kwa kazi ambayo wamefanya bila kupumzika, na ningependa kumshukuru mwalimu wetu mkuu ambaye ametia bidii sana. Ningependa kujiunga na shule ya Alliance ambayo inapatikana Nairobi. Wadhamini wote ambao wanaweza kunisaidia, naomba mnisaidie.
Abaiboli na baroboni go bagania obakonyi ase abarokiwa bubaita bagwa kambuya ase omwalimu monene ase obakonye kolenta machiwa yo atanya kwenekigwa ase skuru yo
Kintu no mugoko monene ase okorora skuru yete yakimungeni ya kabere yatokoreire buya sana. Umwana uyo otanga kuru ase skuru igaro muchikorone ya mwana motokonye akitu motobwati siagende skuru
ende nanko boli abaisimiwa baito omochumbe gavana yaito ya Kisii County nabo igo mu-MC yaito arigeri abana abayo kyase baguchinga cyabo mbaye nyareti buya abaye kipasa libasome mambinde tutore gutwara bagambi ba mambinde ase ense ya Kenya.
Reporter ya Kisii and Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi. Mbiamano sana omuriketo Mildred Momanyi asorobotyo oria kondeto gwetigara imeye chisemi eskuru ya elimu academy nigo yaro kiriko kolia buya magega ya machibu ya matemo gosoka litkolia rero kokwana nabaliki ba mangana nigo baba kwene kibuna nigo eminsko yabo ya menta asidit kolia rero baba gutwara eminsko ya magisi chimi sato nemerongo kianda asokolengani no mwakolia nigo baba bwate eminsko ya magisi chimi sato emerongo 5 na 5 nelimo.
Austin Nyanga from Elimu Academy and had 408, but I was expecting 420 and above. I learned and I did my questions which I never understood, and I asked my teachers questions and always pray to God. Yeah. My parents always urged me to do the best, to be active in school, and always wanted to work hard to have a better future.
I'm Michelle Mora from Elimu Academy. My marks was 394. We tried, but our mean was good, which was 390.
Yes.
All in all, we tried. We put God first. We strived for what we wanted, and we got it.
My name is Gertrude Osebe Oeri. I'm the mother to Austin Nyanga and Michelle Mora. The results came out today, KCPE 2022. I'm very happy with the outcome of the children. One scored 408 marks, he topped in Elimu Academy. The other one got 394. And we are happy with the outcome. I would have even wished my children would be found in the CBC. And to me, CBC is a good curriculum which should be embraced by our system. And if it is well facilitated and well organized, we are going to produce very good results from these learners.
Hime kaunti ya Nyamira nigo chiskuru acha bachigo chengera amachibu ya matemo y'ikirasi kya 5 na 3 asomurikito bene abakagotalira eskuru ya St Andrews nabo yeskuru ya Eronge nabo gosanga na barabo na kibabere gosemero bili kibabere bakobeka asokweneki obukoleri obuya aseskuru yo kwende gukwana no mo director we skuru yo nigo abagakwiranira mono gocha asebonsi babete bakubwatrana nabo gokweneki amachibu amaya murikito Maangi na Mange.
Nigo yaba umuchengo omonene asaborokiwa abaiboli na borokia ekeramatemu akrasi 5 na Isato KCPE y'omwaka oyo abagakora liguno mu waziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu. Omworokia omonene bw'esukuru ya Eronge Adventist Kefa Bwana nachengera agokorabya kwa boroki wa besukuru eyo nateba bunegati aboroki gwa Isato nemo nigo aboroki gwa emerongene babwata max gwetani timinye
ase KCP omwaka oyo abana twanyari konyora baitete amatemwa kenga boss baitira amatemwa abana twabwate 301 asa abana 301 wikira bono iga abana 40 banyorera max 400 kiagera abana baito barairi disciplined na balimu abotokwa kasa team. We embrace teamwork na inde we work to achieve our goal.
Asate babunaniga gwekegwa ase skuru ya ekoba entangani ase chisukuru che serikali ime county ya Nyamira.
Tigo narange guchobisie county director bachikonge ya award yeye na nero mwalimu the best head teacher in the county in the public school. This is the third year consecutively to school ya very the best public school.
Ase sukuru ya St. Andrews Kawanyansiongo nigo yaba omogoko omonene ekero mworo kiwa meleni kwa mboka atangana na magisi chiminye na 15 nateba okomobo wa Nyasaye amasikani nogokora omokia na bobo bisi bwaye bwogweta buya.
There are 3 things that guided me to my success. The first one is the fear of the Lord, respect for all ages, and hard work, and also remember to work smart. Natarajia kujiunga na shule ya Kenya High.
Omworokia omonene Caroline Kerubo nagokera ogokorobya kwa boroki gwabo asate abo mworokia omutangani niga bwata Max Isato emerongene na isano na Isato.
Tunashukuru Mungu kwa kazi nzuri wasichana walifanya, walimu pamoja walisaidia wasichana wakafanya vizuri. Msichana wa kwanza alikuwa na max 415 na wa mwisho alikuwa na max 257.
Inchobu na Ndizi TV twabaganiri aboroki bakorete buyamaya na bali bataikireti okugani kwa basobugima twabatebiringa gosemera inkoro. Kuruase county ya Nyamira, ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbiyamano sana omurikito Job Maangi asoroboti oroikiranu. Kondo manchimuli tokwirana goika county ya Kisii nigongo kumanyibuna skuru ya St. Peter's Academy iyo gotoka ase ward ya Bugiakumu imeye bunge ya Bonchari nigo ya orokyo bokoleri obya magaga ya machibu ya matemwa gosoka. Omurikito Ndemo Steve na Talere Meyo na gotwara engwana ya bene no mo director w'eskuru iyo.
Umanchomole ni maitamate murage neta gosoka chiskuru chinyenge ncho cyanyare ko bachigokora buya korwa sorongo rwa Gusii chinde nchira kora buya korende gate chiskuru chiri cyakorere buya korwa sebunge ya Bonchari egotoka ime county ya Kisii na mone skuru ya St. Peter's Kisii Academy egotoka senseme ya Bonchari nandake gati ya biri banyare ko bakora mbiri nanyare ko manyabuna banyare commenta se eminsko yabo korwa se eminsko babwato mwako teba bwata max Isato 53 na avere 382 kurendo mwako yo bamentire minisko yabo goika amax Isato na 90 ibo bamentire sana na nimbatire bwari yabenero ko bamo no mo director obo monene ase skuru ya St. Peter's Academy yoranyare gusuka angaiga andaka tebi obo bisimbo ibana kira bocha kaneri atari ya madam director na lero iga na kyo igwete
inde no bogo ko monne sana na
kaneri atari yao
incho manyene school rietariane Mrs. Priscilla Mbui nagokire asogo ntarira se skuru yeiga nainde ninde no mogoko monene ng'abana baito bakorire buya gwetania balibo mwaka urio weta twarocha nabo bakorete buya mono mwaka uria babwate amaxi Isato na 53 na abere mwaka uyo banyorire Isato na 90 ngwakira Nyasaye mbiya mono nainde mbiya mono ase matemwa ya sokira sikingira chingiya ande ngoganiria abana baitamaya
andake ni metegati ya biri mwanyara bwa mukokera se skuna ria semwano ino mutangani abata max chiminye na 13 nabo teberie talia ina andake nkelikerete ino gutwara uyo tanganite ntundeya na last time na kiora kombe ese uyo tanganite
mbiya mono sana omwaka uria twabwate omwana omutangani obwate amaxi 416. Mwaka uyu mwana umutang'ani igabwate 413. No mwana igakorwa kwa Kelvin Paul ane arorenge igabana yeskuru. Omwana orengo muya mwana omoigweri omwana otokonyete mono sana. Mwana okorete omokia nande aka abana bande omokia abana bekirasi eki akababekamo akaba omokia bakabegente ekemo baganchana bare kori baisiamo nagie kwara machibu aya asokire arama ya seng'encho yo mwana oyo iga orenge gavana nande nyasaye akarora buya omotang'ani nando nero otang'anire obere nambe yemo obwata maxi amaya mono.
Andake mwanche mwe keroko igwe skuru wate minsko ya 390 iminiti buna keroko okwara average ye kerasi ekugionspy igere 390 ne means kenene sana chiskuru chibwate minsko ye account ya Kisii ne chinke sana na ye chire skuru buna chiabo elimu academy na chibwate minsko bune inkeri no mwa akora bune skuru mwa akora kwena kibune minsko ya ino commentere by 8 aso mwa koyo
ndiya mono egento tu akorete no goika abana bange na kuba motivate na kubatabiri itang'ani babasama saba abana bambasaba mono bakaba abana baya bamumanyite nyasaye bakaba abana baigweri bakaba abana baokoromokia bakaba abana batari kurara igasi yabo Chinsa chinyinge no gosoma kurara kwa gwate Chinsa chinge sana so abana litang'ani bamumanyite nyasaye ria kabere bagakoromokia ria gatato bakaba abana baya baokoboria barimu ase babwata obokong'u iga abana baya mono barenge abana barenge gentekemo onya koyorense bagenda bakwana nere bamomotivate bari baisi nere bamotebia sobokong'u bore mwana oinere oimoka igoro so na abana barenge egentekemo abana baigwanaine sana
ndake nimetebere beto byakire kone to chigokora nimetama chiwe ndanyare ko bambaya abaibori mbaga neri abalimu amona abaoro kigo ingerora tebegoro ya support konyora ko rwasa abaibori bekerasi kiya 5 na 3
mbiya mono abaibori babana abaigo barenga abaibori abaya sana kendi gionsi tware koganiko rwasi bare igo barenge ange gotokonya no yarenge chinga chinkong'u ekero chibesa chitaiya sense lakini abaibori abo barenge abaya mono mbato igetange bune school baigeta abana nge mono bakamotivate abana bakatwara kyo bwanjanio bonene kagera abana na baruba karema bagakora matemo bagaita
ngana yawe yo mwerio
ntagete gwakira abarimu bane ngambia mono sana abarimu go bakora omoki bataikorara no bari sa abana rioka ria kabere ng'akere abaibori ngambia mono sana ase ogotoa support eri twaganeti korwa ase more igo mwatoete support erengiya nyasaye agendere kobasesenia neria gatato ing'akere kero oyomo gokora ase skuru yaito emeremo aba bande bagotokonya nani teaching staff abarabu barenge abantu abaya bagakora omoki mono bagatoikange bagaika abana ang'e kero oyomo agakora emirimo yaye buna ekonyarekana eki naki agere togakora buya na abana abwo abarabu bakaba abana abaya buna nabatebia mbacheti gotoa obokong'u bokobagambira ng'a bakorire eke na keri kere ekebe so okogani kwana nkoring'ana ande ntobwate ekerasi eke bono gekogenda kerasi isano isato na kero togogesabera nyasaye abakonye na barabwo baba abana abaya bakora omokia naende bamente mean because kero omwaka bono otogonya komenta aro nyasaye abakonye bagende nonya 395 kuna ukura abokogani kwane bune omanyene skuru eyega
mbuya mono na congratulations mwancho morigerio yunero mwalimu omonene gose omonyene skuru yaye ya St Peter's Kisii Academy wereire bune skuru yaye yanyara kwene kibuna yasukire bosio na goikase eminisco ya max 390 saitu buna Ndizi TV togendere komurekere me county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira gote skuru kitiri chia kolire buya nanda kinkiriba akorete kieng'encho mono kwene kibuna baikire essence meyo ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwaiga sense mo ya St Peter's Kisii Academy iretere nende mo Steve
Mbiamono sana omuriketo ndemo Steven hasogotwara engwana ya bene no director o St Peter's Academy. Kondo mwanchumule togosika mutu ase orobotironde ni gongo kumanyibuna eskuru ya Comenius Learning Center eyogotoka sensemeria nyanchwa nigolitkulia lero ya twara omochengo asokogokera amachibu amaya. Kolengana na barabo nigo mwana omotangani atwara amaxi chiminye na 12.
Learning Center inayopatikana katika Nyanjwa. Tumefurahi sana kwa matokeo mazuri kwani mtoto wa kwanza aliweza kuzoa alama 412. Wa pili wa mwisho ako na 282. Na tumefurahi na mini yetu ingawa ilipungua mwaka huu tuko na mini ya 346 na mwaka uliopita tulikuwa na mini ya 356. So tunaona hapo imepungua, lakini tunaona wanafunzi wamejaribu sana. Wamejaribu kwa sababu mwaka huu hata ilikuwa na changamoto nyingi sana. Walisoma muda mfupi kuliko kuliko mwaka uliopita. Na tunashukuru, hongera wanafunzi wetu. Tunawatakieni kila la heri. Tunawaombea mkienda shule ya upili mzidi kutia bidii hivyo.
Class.
Sana ni masomo ya ziada. Tumekuwa tukiwa na morning preps na tumekaza sana, hata evening preps yenye hatukuwa nayo tulikaza kwa sababu muda ulikuwa mfupi sana. Na weekend classes pia wamekuwa wakiattend, na ilibidi tukue tunasoma ibada hapa Jumapili na Jumamosi shuleni ili kuzudi tupate muda tuingie darasani na wao na tukaweza kumaliza syllabus.
Nje mwalimu Peter Nchaga nangosomia skulu ya Comenius abana baitu bakoreria twagokire ande togotenga tiango bagendere igo nyasaye twalde ngoto konyire na tobwere asonsi togotenga tigatoendera no mukio ino bomogo ande togotenga nyasaye tianya gutanga na sekere kanga. Asante sana.
Thank you. So
asa Marieta Nkuku na umunyamisa madam ngosomia Comenius gwakira baibori na barimu biamono asa matokeo maya bana beitire wa kwanza akiwa na 412. Tunafurahi kwa haya matokeo na wale watoto ambao wamefanya mtihani tunawapa moyo, tunawahimiza kuwa wasikufe moyo kwa yale ambao wamepata, waendelee kutia bidii. Na wazazi wale wako nyumbani walete watoto hapa Comenius iendelee kunawiri.
Umurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo aenekiribuna babiri bakubika emirobiri ya bene asoko eneki obokoreri obuya asensemo y'abanyanyimbo okwana nigo aenekibuna mbachikorwa amaigiri goche ase abanyanyimba isaine nabigo kubwaterana nababwatani bande asoko enekibuna onsi aikiranire.
The administration that runs the government of Kenya today, it is our intention to professionalize our security sector, more specifically, our police and our prison officers. And we are going to work with you to make sure that men and women who serve in our police service are proud of being the men and women who look after our children, who look after our property, and who provide that service that secures our country. And for that to be the case, we must deploy sufficient resources, we must train our men and women properly, the recruitment, the training, the promotion, and the entire terms of service must reflect the critical service that our policemen and women provide for our country. We want to build institutions to secure the rule of law and to secure our democracy. All the ideas will come through and we can be able to end up with a product that is going to assist our men in uniform, the police men and women of Kenya, to get the necessary attention that they need so that they can provide the constitutional mandate that is assigned to them in a professional and in the best manner that they can.
Chinga kecho boigo omwaziri boborindi bwaime kithure kindiki nigabaga kwene kibuna amatuko abosio abanyanyimbo mbachikoragwa no bosemia kegima okwana nigo airabuna nonya okuboro ko borindi kwabere gokwene kigwa asense ya Kenya mbachikobeka emerobeli ya bene asokwene kibuna balindire abakenya bunenchere bwenerete.
For us in the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, we believe that the future of policing is going to be knowledge-driven. For us as a country, to contain, minimize, and eventually eradicate crime, we will need knowledge, training institutions and curricula designed to meet our needs as a country and the security challenges that we continue to face as a nation. Through this facility, it is expected that we will build convergences between the operational practices of the National Police Service, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, and also the Administrative Police Service to ensure we build the right synergies so that we can collectively address the security challenges that our country is facing.
Sisi maofisa ambao wako kwa National Police Service, we assure you of our loyalty. At any time, yale amri unatoa, sisi ni kutii, kuhakikisha nchi yetu inalindwa bila woga na kutishwa na yeyote. Tutalinda wananchi wetu watukufu na tutalinda mali yetu.
Mwanche murigereria kurwa sorobatioro nigana ikira omweli obwa mangana maya asebire biga kurende ngo sabato basa konyegera bitukolia rero ntobwate omugeni ase studio oyoromo director Otabaka Academy ngwira nanda segekeke elinde to sange amange to kwanere igoro yekisemi asorogongo rwa Gusii.